Hey guys, right now I'm witnessing a tornado right at my house. Kind of like a tornado. Not really. But it's so windy out here. It's pouring down. Everything. It's so crazy. You kind of see over here, there's leaves circling and circling. You can't really see on camera too much. But I'm soaked. Just trying to get this video real fast. I'm out here pouring down rain. Like a tornado out here. And you can kind of like, it's like, you can't really see, but it's so windy. There we go. Can you see the leaves really? Yeah, like all those leaves were just circling. OMG, I have to get back inside. But there we go. Make sure you like and subscribe. And peace out.